Ever wondered how to integrate your Go charger or Go controller into Home Assistant? In this video, I'll show you exactly how it's done, step by step. So let's dive in. First, open Settings in Home Assistant. Scroll down and click on People. In the top right corner, select Users to create a new user for your Go charger. At the bottom right, click Add User. Now give the user a display name. The username will be automatically filled for you. Next, set up a password for this user, making sure you enter it correctly twice. Once that's done, take a quick look at the new user profile. You don't need to give it admin or local access rights. Now, go back to Settings, Devices, and select MQTT. For this integration to work, you'll need to have Home Assistant installed to connect to your Go charger. The next steps take place in the Go app on your smartphone. Since your charger is already set up there, simply open the app, go to Settings, then Connections, and choose MQTT. You'll probably see a connection error at first, but that's no worries, we'll fix that in a moment. When entering the URL, make sure you type in the correct details. You'll need the username and password that you just created in Home Assistant. If you want to double check, go to Settings, People, then Users. You'll see the user you created earlier. In the MQTT settings, you'll notice a small space followed by the @ symbol. Here, you'll need to add your Home Assistant IP address. You can find it by going to Settings, System, then Network, and checking your IP address there. Enter that IP address followed by :1883. Don't delete that part. It's the MQTT broker port and needs to stay exactly as it is. Once you've entered everything, hit Save. Then enable Home Assistant and disable Read Only. If everything's set up correctly, the error message at the top should disappear, and your Go charger will now appear in the Home Assistant overview. That's it, guys. You've successfully integrated your Go charger. And yes, the same process works perfectly for the Go controller too. So that's how simple it is to bring your Go devices into Home Assistant. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Amy from Go.